everyone, and welcome to the next video in the Tubebuddy series. So in the previous video, we looked at the keyword tool, looking at the keywords that we might be able to use to help us create a title for our next video or our next piece of content. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the SEO tool, which will enable us to put those keywords into a title so that we can make our video really searchable in Google. Now, we want our video to be searchable by those people who want to come and find out information from us, who want to learn from us. So the title needs to be really enticing and really attractive. What we put in the title, however, doesn't have to be what we show on the thumbnail, but we're going to go over that in the future videos on the Tubebuddy tool. So the best way for me to show you exactly how to use the SEO part of Tubebuddy is to jump straight into the Tubebuddy tool. So here we are on my YouTube channel. If you haven't already subscribed to it, please do find it on YouTube and subscribe to it. You just have to go to youtube.com/c/Anita Wong, and that will take you straight here, and then you just have to tick the subscribe button. Okay, so we're going to jump into the SEO Studio, which is going to help us to maximize the keywords that we found in our previous video and make them into a title that will work really well for our audience. So to find those keywords that we found before, we want to go to the video topic planner because that's where we saved it. So we're going to just click on that. It was this one here, how to save your Instagram live videos to IGTV. So we're going to grab that and we're going to just copy that over. And we're going to go into our Tubebuddy SEO Studio. So we're going to click in there. And then we're going to pop that into the title creator and we're going to click start. So now we're up to 62%. So we want to try and tweak it a little bit more to make our title more searchable inside of Google Chrome and across the internet. So how to save your Instagram live video to IGTV. And then I'm going to put the date, because sometimes I like putting the date because it's like a new update. So May 2020. And that's brought it up really high. So people are searching for this title. And when I put the date, because Instagram and Instagram TV changed so much, it's actually showing that people are searching for the most recent update. So that's brought my score up really well. So what we're going to do now is we're going to concentrate on the description. So we're going to want to make it a little bit more readable for the user. So include partial matches of your target keyword in the description. So what I need to do is I need to actually entice people to watch it. So watch, and then I'm going to put something like, hey, so that's really awesome. So I'm pretty happy with 95%. That means that it's really going to be searchable, and I've got it within the first 200 characters, which is what the first paragraph in your description helps with the SEO. So my title is how to save your Instagram live video to IGTV May 2020. And the first part of my description is watch this video to learn how to save your Instagram live video to IGTV. New update May 2020. This will help you repurpose your Instagram lives to a new audience and increase your video watch time. So that's perfect. Now what we want to do is we want to save this as a draft and move on to the next video, which is all around putting tags into your new title and description so that it makes it even more searchable. And we got those tags when we used the keyword tool. So we need to go to the tag list that we created when we were doing our keyword search so that we can copy that tag list and paste it into the SEO Studio. So we're going to go to our tag list down here on our Tubebuddy dashboard. And we're going to find our IGTV live one, which is here. And then we're going to copy those tags. Brilliant. And then we're going to go to our studio again. And we're going to go back to our SEO Studio. And we're going to load from drafts. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add those tags in. So we're going to click next. And underneath here, we're going to right click and then press return, and it's going to bring all those tags in for us. Now we've exceeded the limit, which is perfectly fine, so we just need to take some of the tags out that we might not need to use. So we just go down and have a little look at whether any of the tags have been repeated. So we're not going to download it, so I'm going to take that off. And that's immediately brought us down underneath the limit and also has given us a maximum on our score. So now our Tubebuddy SEO score is at 100%. Okay, so that's awesome. The next thing we want to do is go to the next button. And what we want to do is before we move on to the next video, is have a look at what our thumbnail needs to look like. So what it's done is it's placed our video with our title and our description into the search, and it's given you all the other videos that have got the same topic, and in there it's showing you all the different thumbnails that people have used. So as you can see, there's a variety of thumbnails in there that people have used to show you how to do your live Instagram video over to your Instagram TV. So we've got to keep this in mind to make our thumbnail stand out a little bit more. And actually my background to my thumbnails at the moment is a white background with me superimposed on it with some writing. So mine's going to actually pop in all of this colour. So that's great. So all we've got to do now is click Save Draft. So that brings us to the end of this video on how to use the SEO part of your Tubebuddy research. What we're going to be doing next is creating the thumbnail. And then once we've done the thumbnail and we go off and we create our video according to that title, all we have to do when we want to utilize all of this research that we've done with the Keyword Explorer and the SEO Studio, and then when we're all ready, we come back to YouTube and start uploading our video. And in that stage, we will superimpose our Tubebuddy research into that video, and you'll find out how to do that in the next video. Any questions whatsoever about using the keyword tool and the SEO Studio, please don't hesitate to ask and pop them in the comments below.